So this is a BBS centre cap from 94 mx5 import. It's pretty, can't really tell, but it's corroded. The wheels in general are in pretty bad shape, so I need to take this apart to actually be able to paint the metal and clean up the plastic as well. So these come apart quite simply. First part is this metal bit. It's 3 prongs on the inside. As you see, you can just force those out. Easy, simple, no damage to it. It's out. Okay, the next part really had me stumped for a bit because I was trying to prise things and it just didn't want to do it. What we need is flathead screwdriver, and you literally top plastic bit. You're going to prise it out. So screwdriver in there, prise, and you think it snaps something, but it doesn't. Just literally work your way around. He says there we go. Nice and simple. Pops out. Ooh. There you go, that bit's off. These are really fragile. I've noticed I've actually damaged, maybe it's my other one. I've actually damaged one of these. There's nothing to them. I'm thinking I might put some resin in here just to kind of pad it out and stop the plastic from breaking when they're unscrewing off the wheel. Final part, this plastic bit needs to come out because I want to use paint stripper to get the paint off these, and the plastic will probably melt, so I need this last bit off. Small screwdriver, flathead again. And on this part there's a gap which is just ideal. Get a screwdriver in and bend, and then you can work way around, and that takes the first tab off. If you've got one in front of you, you'll understand there's 3 tabs that are holding this on. You can get the first one off. You can then just use your thumb and try and push the ring he says. There we go. It's literally off. And that's how you strip the centre caps on BBS alloys. Hope it helps you.